There you go. This is the new Meyer Lotpro we put on the new F250 plow truck, 2019. This plow was put on by H.A. Hart and Son down in West Bedford. I think they did a pretty nice install compared to the last one we had put on. The last one we had was put on in Hale trailer in Voorhees. And the install just wasn't as nice. There's your connectors down there. It's a lot higher off the ground on the Ford than the Dodge. The Dodge sat down on the ground. We put a timbering kit on it, and it still sat down and rubbed. This one's got nice clearance. I'd say about 2, maybe 3 inches more. I haven't measured it yet. And when you get over here and you look to where everything's hooked up, everything is shrunk wrapped and just a little nicer job. Goes through. It's from this side. You get in the truck, it comes right up out of there into your controller. Nice setup. Everything is just a really nice setup. Here's some extra pieces from the skid plate underneath and the air dam, and that big piece there goes on the, that's a big piece of rubber that I'll be putting on the bottom of the plow for the nicer edge so it doesn't tear up the parking lot. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.